Hello guys, hope you all are doing good. Today in this video we'll see how you can earn online. The best way on online earning is to be a freelancer. I'll tell you what is freelancing. Freelancing is a type of job you will provide online services to the clients, to the consumers, and they'll pay you. For this you have um, you can use any of the skill you have, or you can learn any easy skill from online, from YouTube, or I'll tell you the easy one. Skills you can use, or you can use them to earn money. What is freelancing? We'll see. What is freelancing? We can see here an individual who makes money on a per job basis is a freelancer. They usually earn on a per task basis and generally work for a short time. In simpler terms, they do not work for a firm, thus they enjoy the liberty to work on various jobs for different clients simultaneously. How you can start freelancing? Define your business goals, find a prospective niche, identify target clients, set your freelancing rates, create a website or and portfolio, find your first client, expand your network, balance your full-time job with your part-time job, freelancing side gigs. First of all, define your business and goals. Define your skill or anything you can do for a client, for your client, and then upload your niche to any website or a freelancing website. Identify target clients, set your rates, and get your order, and then complete that order. The client will pay you. So now we'll see which are the best freelancing websites, or you can say that platforms you can have in your start time. The best one in our list is fiverr.com. The fiverr.com is the best platform for any uh, initial or a new user or new freelancer, because here you don't have to pay anything to anyone. Just create account and set your um, price for the gig. Like set your gigs. Gig is a type of offer, and let me show you. First we'll start with the thumbnail. Can provide thumbnail any of the YouTube, Facebook, or any videos. Here you can see all these are gigs. They are offering their services. You have to publish your service like this, and you will open one of the gig. You can see that details are mentioned by the gig publisher. If anyone like this gig or want a service, he'll directly message the seller. He contact the seller, and we can discuss the price. and any of the pattern with thumbnail required. Just I want to show you that these are the gigs, and there are many easy services you can find here. Like we can see, um, you can provide services like PDF to MS Word convert, MS to PDF convert, just conversion of the files. These are the easiest task you can perform here. Like if you make a gig like that, I'll convert PDF to Word. So if you get any of the order online, just search here. You'll find a lot of tools here. Just simply go any of the tools you like and paste the client's link and convert, and after the convert file, save the file and give it to your client. Just that, and your order is completed. You have to find the easiest jobs you can perform, which require no skills. Like you can see there here, this person have done 348. This have done 1000 plus orders, 692, 193. And if you go with the gig to make thumbnail of a YouTube video, we'll see how the response you get if you get a gig, if you make a gig of making thumbnails for YouTube. You can see here the person get 207, 520, 1000 plus, 359, 1000 plus, 291, 162, 1000 plus. These are the providing services to make thumbnail. If you make a gig of to make a thumbnail and you get ordered, simply go ahead, make YouTube thumbnail. I think sorry, there is issue of network. Let me recheck.